Hello dear traders, here on InstaForex's TV channel where you can learn about the latest financial market news. The Russian currency looks prominent among all risky assets. Growing concerns about both economic and geopolitical situation triggered a drop in demand for risky currencies, but the ruble remains stable against all the odds. The US dollar ruble pair is trading between 59.70 and 60.00 as sellers and buyers offset each other's activities. The pair is supported by foreign investors attracted by 40 billion rubles worth of federal bonds, which were offered by the Ministry of Finance of Russia at the auctions. At the same time, the pair is under downward pressure of exporters that sell revenues ahead of the next tax period. The ruble is also supported by the current monetary policy. The Central Bank of Russia maintains the key rate at a quite high level of 9%, even though inflation in Russia is slowing and sank slightly below the target, allowing the bank to soften the current monetary policy. All this allows the ruble to show its independence from crude prices. However, even oil supported the ruble today. Brent crude is growing again and came close to the level of $52.40 per barrel in US pre-market trades. The promise of Saudi Arabia to curb crude exports to the Asian region by around 10% boosted sentiment of oil traders. Besides, representatives of the OPEC Plus member countries promised to follow conditions of the production cut agreement more thoroughly. Meanwhile, the United States, which does not take part in the agreement, reported a decline in its crude stocks. According to the American Petroleum Institute, last week, crude oil inventories shrank by 7,800,000 barrels. Today, traders are expecting the U.S. Energy Department to confirm the positive data. You were watching financial market news on InstaForex TV channel. That's all for now. See you next release.